So here we are today, looking once again at those places you get along the way to doing something else, where you get the opportunity to, via stacking or processing wood or any other material, you end up doing something quite creative. So after the style and inspired by Richard Long, I've made these three pieces. We have the Y-shaped pieces in a small pile here, and then we have a kind of a more blocky, kind of oblong shape here for the larger wood. And then of course, the circle. And as you walk around, things change with just that small bit of three-dimensionality, like the landscape itself. I'm also inspired today by an old colleague of mine from art school, James Bond, funnily enough. Although he was initially a tree surgeon, he got into the whole notion of looking at different shapes of wood and seeing the beauty while you're chopping it to pieces, but deciding where to stop and what to present. So there's a bit of that going on here too. And there's no surprise that these three shapes inspired by Richard Long should actually echo some of my own sculpture when concerned with geometric shapes, the square or oblong, the triangle, and of course the circle or globe, let's say. So it's quite rewarding to see that kind of thing going on and the connection I have to this sculpture day. Although this grouping, I've done stuff like this before. Again, I would always have James in mind, as well as these more amorphic things which actually emerge out of something of a dream, where I saw lots of young Gothic Satanists using these to travel like broomsticks through the forests, and they were after me for some reason or another. I don't know, I woke up. But, you know, we have a lot of that going on, and of course, the older stuff, the pagan idols. So, yeah, it's been great fun, great weather. See you all soon.